Assalamualaikum. My name is Hadia Faruqi Saidul Zafar. I am working in JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon. Today in this video we are going to discuss about cell organelle chloroplast. These are the key points: introduction, occurrence, morphology, ultrastructure, envelope that is chloroplast membrane, stroma that is matrix, grana, quantazome, functions of chloroplast. First we see introduction. Chloroplasts are green colored plastid, contain large quantity of chlorophyll pigment. Chloroplasts are most common in plant and perform the function of photosynthesis. Then occurrence. Presence of chloroplast is the distinguishing feature of plant kingdom and are absent in animals. Chloroplasts are evenly distributed in the cytoplasm. Next we see morphology. Number. In higher plants there are 20 to 40 chloroplasts are present in each cell, while in algae usually only one huge chloroplast is present in the center. Shape. Chloroplasts are rod-shaped, elliptical, disc-shaped, oval-shaped, filamentous, saucer-shaped, etc. Size. The size of the chloroplast may ranges from 4 to 6 micron in length and 1 to 3 micron in width. Chemical composition. The chloroplast of higher plant contain 40 to 50% protein, 5 to 10% chlorophyll A and B, and 1 to 2% carotenoids. Then ultrastructure. The chloroplast of higher plant consists of three distinct parts, namely envelope, stroma that is matrix, and grana. First we see envelope, which is also known as chloroplast membrane. The chloroplast is enclosed in a double layer membrane called as lipoproteinous membrane, that is outer membrane and inner membrane. Each unit membrane is trilaminar, that is inner protein, middle lipid bilayer and outer protein layer with thickness 40 to 60 angstrom. Both the unit membrane are separated from each other by a distinct space called as intermembrane space, which is about 25 to 75 angstrom. Outer membrane is permeable to various compounds, while inner membrane is selectively permeable. Envelope of chloroplast is permeable to carbon dioxide, water, and also hexosynthesized during photosynthesis. Next is stroma, which is also known as matrix. Inner membrane of chloroplast containing a gel-like fluid or matrix called as stroma of chloroplast. Stroma is proteinaceous, contain 50% of total chloroplast protein. These are soluble protein. In addition to protein, other substances like starch granule, osmophilic globule or droplet also suspended in the matrix. Some proteinaceous bodies are also present in the matrix of chloroplast of algae called as pyrenoids. Starch plates are deposited along pyrenoid concerned with carbohydrate metabolism. Chloroplast matrix also contain DNA, which is known as ctDNA or cpDNA, and 70S ribosome. It also contains various enzymes required for DNA replication, enzyme of carbon dioxide fixation and assimilation of fatty acids. Next, grana. The matrix of chloroplast of higher plants contain many granular membranous chlorophyll bearing bodies called as grana. Single, it is known as granum. On an average, most of the chloroplast contain 10 to 40 grana and spinach it is 40 to 60, and in tobacco it is 40 to 80. Each granum is composed of 10 to 100 disc-like or sac-like membranous compartments called as thylakoids. In the granum, the thylakoids are arranged one above the other to form a stack of coin. Each thylakoid are 80 to 120 angstrom in size across the pie or stack. The number of thylakoid in each granum is variable. Each thylakoid encloses a space called as lumen or locule. In matrix, each granum is interconnected with each other with the help of network of membranous flat tubule called as lamellae or intergrana. The membrane of thylakoid contains the chlorophyll pigment. Then quantasomes. The thylakoid membrane is made up of a crystalline spherical particle known as quantasomes. Quantasomes are about 180 angstrom long and 160 angstrom to 180 angstrom thick. Each quantasome is capable of photosynthesis process, that is photochemical reaction. Each quantasome contains about 230 chlorophyll molecule with the reaction center. In addition to pigments, quantasome also contain protein and lipid molecule which are essential to harvest the light energy and carry out the photophosphorylation process. The light reaction takes place in grana. Thus, chloroplasts act as advanced machinery which transform the solar energy into chemical energy stored in the form of food during the photosynthesis. Function of chloroplast. First, photosynthesis. Chloroplasts of higher plant are of great importance in the manufacture of food in the photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water are converted into organic substance, that is sugar, fat, polysaccharide, amino acid in presence of light. Next, food storage. Leucoplasts present in the cytoplasm act as center of food storage such as starch, amyloplast, oil, elioplast and protein, proteinoplast. Third, coloration. Chromoplasts are responsible to give different color in flower and fruit. They are useful for attracting insect for pollination and propagation. Then protein synthesis. The chloroplast contain DNA, that is ctDNA, act as template for mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. It synthesizes structural protein and the thylakoid membrane. Code for certain functional protein or enzyme. ctDNA also code for certain functional protein or enzyme which are necessary for chlorophyll, carotenoid, lipid and starch synthesis. Cytoplasmic inheritance. During cell division, the ctDNA or chloroplast DNA transmit the character to the next generation independent of nuclear DNA. Thus, the chloroplast play vital and important role in the cytoplasmic or extranuclear inheritance. And last, source of oxygen. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll pigment, so during photosynthesis naturally occurring oxygen is liberated, which is the only one source of oxygen. Thank you.